Master Advanced for IELTS. Boost your vocabulary. Mastering versatile words is crucial for achieving a high score in IELTS, and today we're focusing on a word that can significantly advance your language skills: advance. Word type. Advance is a chameleon in the English language, functioning as both a noun and a verb. This dual nature makes it a valuable addition to your vocabulary arsenal. Meaning, as a noun, advance refers to a forward movement, progress, or an improvement in position. It can also mean a payment made before it is due. As a verb, to advance means to move forward, make progress, or to promote something. Word history. The word advance comes from the Old French word avancer, which means to move forward. It entered the English language in the 13th century and has been helping us progress ever since. Antonyms. Some antonyms for advance include retreat, regress, and decline. Synonyms. Synonyms for advance include progress, improve, develop, and proceed. Examples used in sentences. Let's look at some examples. As a noun, the company made significant advances in renewable energy technology. The employee requested an advance on his salary to cover unexpected expenses. Now, as a verb, scientists are working hard to advance our understanding of climate change. She hoped to advance to a management position within the year. Common errors in use. A common mistake when using advance is confusing it with advanced. While advance is about moving forward, advanced means at a higher level or further along in development. For example, you would say, "I want to advance my career," not "I want to advance my career." Understanding and correctly using words like advance can truly advance your English proficiency. Remember, it can be both a noun and a verb referring to progress or movement forward. Whether you're describing technological advances or hoping to advance in your career, this word is sure to be useful in your IELTS exam and beyond.